Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name is Tommy, and today we're checking out a new band, Hartlight, and the song is called And Nature Unfolds Once Again. I discovered them on Instagram, and I was like, So I looked up this video. They just dropped it like 2 days ago, and we're going to check it out. It says symphonic metal, heavy metal, which, here on The Wolf and the Melody, we like our metal. Yeah, if you are new to the channel, I just love discovering music. I love just connecting to it, and I'm very big on music promotion. I love just scouring everywhere, looking for new artists, new bands to check out, showing them love. And also, to me, this channel, when we sit here and you guys check out a video, I feel like I'm sitting with my friends. We went to the store, we got a new album, we're like, hey, let's check this out, and that's what I feel like when we could talk about a song that we just checked out that was new to us. So music is so powerful, and I love how it can bring us together, and I feel like we need that more than ever. It's a beautiful bridge, and it brings us together, and we can't do this on our own. So guys, thank you for being here. Let's check this out. Cool shot. I love that type of art. Oh. 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 Hold up. Okay, guys. I love that they have this like art as a background. Like right here, you see it? And earlier the sun was a drawing. That's fucking brilliant, dude. And you guys know, when they start getting into like little gallops on the guitar, it makes your boy happy. All right, let's go. Hell yeah, dude. Great voice. Oh my. Great haunting melodies. Le Monde. Ooh, that tone. love that line. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God. I love that. Solitude. Wait, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. Solitude. Oh, I love this part right here. I just love that. Solitude. Solitude is dressed with 1,000 plants. Brilliant. Dude, there was a lot to like in this. Okay, alright, let's be real, okay? Sometimes when you have like a really powerful singer, that can overdo with the music. I feel like with her voice and the dynamics of the music, the melodies, the flow and cadence of it all, it was a really good connection. Sometimes you can listen to something and you're like, dear God, like somebody can really be like wailing, or sometimes the music can just be too much and it doesn't just, the connection is just not in harmony with the vocalist. But I really feel like her voice goes very well with all the things that they were doing in this. And she was hitting some melodies and like I don't know, I'm trying to be smart with my words, but I'm not very. When she was doing the one part in the chorus and it was like kind of like a minor note. Your brain thinks that she's gonna go higher, but it kind of went like in this weird direction, but it like was intentional and it was awesome. There was just a lot of little melodies that she was doing that I was like, ooh, I got like goosebumps. So it was cool. Also too, tarot always like fascinated me. I think it's really cool. This was awesome. Y'all, if you liked this video, you know I always link the video down below. Guys, can you go over to the original video, say, hey, we heard this on the Wolf and Melody, and we liked it. I love that about our community, and I think it's just really cool that we do that. So I think a lot of you guys are going to like this. This is going to be another band for us to dive into. So as always, y'all, thank you so much for going with me on this journey of discovery and just building community. All right, keep your head up. I love your face, and as always, stay lovely, stay metal. And until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.